Welcome to the Disney Dream. This is room 6016. So this is a special room. It's actually going to be a porthole room. According to my sister, who's the expert in all this, these are harder to get rooms, so you have to book them a whole lot quicker. So coming into the room, there's where you'll find the bed that drops down every night for the kids. Small TV. A pretty spacious closet space with safe, as well as your flotation equipment up top. And this is evidently why you want these rooms, these portholes that you can sit in. Of course, we're at Port Canaveral here. There's the Carnival Liberty and the Carnival Elation over there. And then there's some industrial stuff. But here's the room. It does have a beam down the middle, which is a little bit different. The bed's nice, queen size bed. Is it comfy? Did you sit on it?
I haven't touched it.
Hadn't sit on it.
Are we just
No, we're not. Nice looking desk to do your makeup and hair dryer in the morning. There is a mini fridge in here, so that's interesting enough. And then we do have an ensuite restroom. Tight quarters in here. Tight quarters, tight quarters. And it does have a tub, so in case you do have a toddler that needs to take a bath instead of a shower, they do have a shower head. Of course, they have all the H2O branded amenities, and of course your toilet. So yeah, this is stateroom 6016, trash can and recycling. This seems like this is going to open. Does it open? Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. Oh, it does. More space. There you go. Yeah, this is a nice little room. Nice little room. We'll see what other adventures we can find around here.